And the race is on. Gallo, the Arlo, Missional, London, Dry Down on the inside, Lucky Touch, Livelihood, Fields of Gold, Laon Laan, and Sauvignon. Missional, followed by Lucky Touch in second. Gallo, the Arlo, racing in third by Deralis London Dry. And here comes Livelihood. And rounding the far turn, Missional by Anek. Being hounded by Lucky Touch on the outside, Livelihood. London Dry down on the inside, in between runners, Gallo de Arlo, as they race the last 450. Missional, number 8 by Hapoland. Lucky Touch on the outside, Livelihood. London Dry down on the inside, Gallo de Arlo. Missional, then here comes Livelihood. London Dry, Gallo de Arlo, Lucky Touch, but Missional by a length and a half. And finally, Missional, Livelihood, Laon Laan, close. Gallo de Arlo, London Dry, for your Fentafecta.
Okay, 8273 ang ating unofficial order of arrival. Crossing the wire first.